So I'm in a hot spring. We got the girls. Blue is for the boys. Let's go in because I have the place to myself. It is nighttime, forgive me. So we have the entrance. These are my shoes, my little slippers. So normally these little locker areas will have like a basket and you can keep your items inside the basket, but as I'm the only female in the hotel, they don't need them. So there we go. This is me, but I'm gonna hide you. So this is the changing area, so you get undressed, put your stuff away, and then we have a bathroom right here if you just need to use the bathroom before you go. Chill. And then back here we have sinks, so obviously you can wash your hands from the bathroom. Hair dryers that are free to use, so you can dry your hair afterwards, and some daily amenities like some tissues and earbuds for your ears. Now, once you're undressed and you're naked, you head on in to the onsen, which I've left the door open so the camera doesn't fog up. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. So this is great because I'm the only one here, so I can do a full tour. So I'm going to choose sink A. So you get to sit down on this little seat. We have this little bucket, fill it up with water. You can pour it down your back to help clean your back. The taps, of course, have two settings. This little tap here, perfect for filling up the bucket, or the normal shower head. Perfect. Every onsen or hot spring place will come with conditioner, shampoo, and body soap. So perfect. So you don't, unless you have like a specialty brand that you use for your hair, for whatever reason, there is a basic supply, so you don't need to bring anything, which is nice. Once you start, you have to fully clean yourself off, do your hair, yada yada yada, do everything, get clean. Once you are clean, you gotta put your hair up if it's long, because you're not allowed your hair in the bath. So once you're in the bath, you have a cute little cup. You pour that on yourself so you get adjusted to the water faster, and then you just step in. I usually start off, I'll just sit on this first step so I don't burn instantly, and then I'll step in once my body is adjusted. Nice and easy. And yeah, you can chill out in there. And it is nighttime, but normally you can see the outside, but the bathing times are only night hours. So we'll see if I can sneak in the morning. If not, this is what you get. But once you are done having a little soaky soak, which is grand, you hop on out and you rinse yourself off with some water. Then in here, and you dry yourself off on this little mat, and then you get dressed, dry your hair. Now, I will say, there's one of my shirts. I was wearing two shirts today. So everyone, you will get a little basic towel. Some onsen or hot spring public bath places you go to, you do have to rent them. If you're in a little hotel, you get a little free one. They're only a little small thing. Oh no. At least it's not soap. Just a little small thing. And if you can also use it as like a modesty thing. If you're a little shy, you can just cover yourself up and stuff. But this cannot go in the bath water. If you put this in the bath water, you will get told off. Do not do. So yeah, just don't put it in the water and you're fine. Some people will leave it just on a bench in their little locker, or they fold it up real small and just put it on their head. So this has been my Japanese onsen hot spring bath tour. Enjoy.